Hey guys, today we've got another custom, and the car I'm going to be working on is the Mini Cooper. This thing is all plastic except for the little tiny base, so it should be pretty easy to work with. Let's go ahead and drill it and take it apart. Let's see what we got. Okay, so we got it drilled apart, and we have the body, windshield, and the interior and the base are connected. And I think I'm going to hang on to these wheels. These wheels look pretty good, so I'm just going to hang on to them, and so I don't think I need to do anything more to this. So we'll take the body and we'll strip it and paint it and be right back. Got it out of the paint shop. Looks pretty good. Put a decal on top of it, and we're ready to put it back together. Right back. We started with this. And we finished up with this. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe if you already haven't, and click the little bell. Appreciate any comments and a thumbs up if you like the video. We'll catch you on the next one. Everybody have a great day. We'll see you later.